Hey there, this is Ryan from TradeGenius.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily buy BNB Coin, which is Binance's coin, using either Apple Pay, your debit card, or even Solana, Avalanche, etc. Now to start, we're going to click deposit. And in deposit, if you click other, you'll see Coinbase as the main option. And with Coinbase, you can actually deposit up to $500 per week without KYC on Apple Pay or your debit card. Or you can log into an existing Coinbase account if you have one and deposit straight from there. You can also deposit anything across EVM and Solana if you already own crypto in another wallet. Once you have crypto or once you've on-ramped using the Apple Pay function, you can click the swap function. Now, once you're in swap, you can swap literally any token that you have for Binance Coin. So you'll click into here, you'll click Core, and you'll click Binance. Binance Coin is currently around $630 per coin, as you can see here. And you can select the amount that you want to buy. So in this instance, I want to spend $50 of Solana to buy $50 of my BNB Coin. After bridging fees, which are the fees that basically allow you to go cross-chain, which is about $3, we'll click Submit Order. And just like that, we'll see the swap taking place and the swap succeeding, and your balance is updating shortly after. And that is the easiest way to buy BNB Coin. Now, if you want to use this BNB Coin in another wallet, you can export your private keys through settings here, wallets, and then download your private key from the ETH network and upload that into a different wallet if you need to. And all of the funds that you have via EVM will be supported and show up in that wallet as well as your TradeGenius.com account. And that is tied to your Google or Apple Auth. So this is just a little overview, like I said, on how to easily deposit and then swap that deposit into BNB Coin or Binance Coin on TradeGenius.com. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.